Hello, everyone. This is Barbara Draska, the Bundle Queen, and today I am here to show you the anatomy of a bundle. I'm actually going to show you a real live bundle that I'm creating, and I sell my bundles on multiple platforms. I sell on Amazon, Etsy, eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and two of my own Shopify sites. So, first of all, let me tell you the niche that I'm going after. And before I do that, make sure that if you're watching this on YouTube or Facebook, that you like the video and maybe share it onto your Facebook page and subscribe to me. You can also find me on Facebook at facebook.com/groups/AMZ Profits. And if you're an Amazon seller, you can ask any questions you want about how to sell on Amazon in my group. So let's get started. So the keywords that I'm going after, actually the niche market I'm going after, is people who like flamingos. And if you've heard me speak about bundles at all, you know that I like something called mashups. So I like two passionate niche markets that I can put together. And people who like flamingos, they also like RVs and they like pineapples and all things tropical. So the niche mashup that I'm working on is people who like flamingos and pineapples, and they want to go out to lunch, or maybe they're going to the beach. We're coming into summertime. They travel a little bit. They're taking road trips with the kids and hopping in their RV and taking day trips or a couple weekend trips. So that's the niche that I'm going after. And if you've ever heard me speak before, you know that I am all about understanding your passionate niche market first, understanding who you are selling to before you buy any products. So here is the base product of my bundle. Now, keep in mind that I can use this to create multiple variations of my bundles, to create different variations. So this is a little insulated bag, and it's got a little pocket on the outside, and it's got, ready for this, it's got the flamingos, and also has these little pineapples in it, little pineapples and flamingos. So I get both of those niche markets right on the same bag, which I love. So what am I going to do with this then? Who's going to buy this? A lady, it's going to be a lady who maybe she's running around, she's doing errands, she's going to the kids' soccer games, maybe she's going to the beach and she wants to look cute. She's going on a little cruise and she wants something that's small and compact she can take with her in small spaces. So once I have that image in my head, and maybe she's a little funky and a little quirky and cool. I'm kind of quirky, so I can totally relate to that. So the next piece in this bundle will be, this is actually, it's hard to see with the lighting, but it's gold and it looks like a kind of a disco ball. And it is let's see if I can move the lighting here, make it a little bit easier for you to see. It's actually a pineapple wine cup. But you don't have to mark it as a wine cup. You can also put any beverage you want. It comes with a straw. It looks like a pineapple. And I love that it's gold and looks like and it's insulated inside. And I love it it's gold and it looks like a disco ball. So it's kind of funky. It's kind of quirky and funky. And it happens to fit perfectly in here. So the next thing I ask myself is, okay, so they've got something to drink with. They're sitting on the beach. In their lounge chair, they have a cute little umbrella with flamingos on it over the lounge chair. They've got little flip-flops on with pink flowers on them. I'm drawing a picture in my mind of who this lady is and where is she using this product. She's got her little bag next to her and she's sipping on her favorite beverage out of that pineapple wine glass. So what else is she doing? Well, if you're on the beach during the day, you know you're gonna want to nosh. You're gonna get a little hungry, so we want to put some snack bags in there. So I put these three different size snack bags, and they have different cute little flowers and just a cute little design on it. And each of them is a little snack bag. So you can put fruit and veggies and nuts and crackers in them. And they, again, because they're nice and flat, they fit perfectly in our bag. So then I think, okay, well, it's going to be warm out there. So we want to make sure that the beverage stays cold. How can we do that? And my first thought is, well, I could probably find just one of those square freezer thingies that you can put in there. But I thought, it doesn't really go with, it keeps things cold, but everybody has those in their freezer and it doesn't really go with the pineapple motif. So how can I do it in a fun way where they get some coolness in their drink? And I found these beauties. This is an ice cube tray with pineapples on it. How fun is this? Now I also found one with flamingos on it, but it was an odd shape and the these were the flamingo shape ice cubes had like a thin neck. So I could only imagine when you popped out the ice cube, the neck would break. Yes, I go into that much detail about understanding how somebody's going to use the items in my bundle, because when I really think like my customer, I want to make the experience of opening my product, my bundle, and using it such a wow experience that they increases the value of one, getting me a review and getting me a 5-star review. So this goes in there, and lo and behold, it fits perfectly with everything else in there. So, and one of the things that I do with my listings, I know a lot of sellers aren't doing this yet, but go ahead and create a video. So I'll actually create a video where I'm unpacking all these fun surprises, kind of like Mary Poppins magic bag, right? And I'll make a video of that on my listings. People engage more with videos, and they like to see, this is what it looks like sitting in my hand. Okay, so the next thing, I'm not done yet. So I have a concept in my business. Anytime I do a product, I want to surprise and delight them. So yes, this would make a great bundle if we just stopped there with the wine glass, the bag, the snack bags, and the ice cube tray. That would make a great bundle. But what I ask myself when I create a bundle, what little extra can I add on to this to really make it a fun experience? Like really make them say, oh my gosh, I have to have that, buy now. So remember, this lady she's lounging on a lounge chair. She's got her little flip-flops on with the pink flowers on it. And she's sipping a drink out of her. Now, can you picture her right out of this? And she's eating her snacks and she's enjoying the sun. Maybe she's reading a book. And then what is she wearing on her face? So I found these fun things. Now, she might not wear these, but if you're going to a barbecue and you're taking little snacks with you and you walk into the barbecue wearing these, this is a fun little party accessory that it's going to get attention. People, oh my gosh, where did you get those? That's so cute. Oh, I love your bag. So maybe she won't wear this on the beach because it's kind of a novelty item, but it didn't cost me a whole lot to put these little extra pineapple sunglasses, and they kind of got yellow sunglasses. Didn't cost me a whole lot to just do that little extra. And you hear me using the words little extra a lot. And here's why. I did not coin this saying, but I read it somewhere years ago and I live by it. The difference between ordinary and extraordinary is that little extra. So I'm always trying to do little extras in my bundles, in any product really that I market and sell or create. So with that being said, I've got not just these with that little extra with the sunglasses, but I've got one more thing. So I picture this lady and she's carrying her bag around, and it's a cute bag. It's adorable, right? It's got these cute little flamingos. What would put it over the top just a little bit and make people say, oh my gosh, that's so cute. Where did you get that? You ready? I found these. This is a pink flamingo. It's actually hot pink. It's not showing up as hot pink on the video, but it is hot pink. Little kind of, flowy legs, very cute. And it's a keychain. So now look how this changes the bag. If they have this little guy hanging from their flamingo bag, this is noteworthy. They will get compliments on this saying, oh my gosh, that's so cute. Where did you get that? I want one. I want one. So this is a finished bundle that I haven't listed yet. It's brand new. I will be listing it and selling it online. But I wanted to give you an example of how to put over the top, how to do that little extra a couple of times in your bundles, and also how to have a picture of who is your target market. Who is this person who's buying your bundle? How are they using it? What do they need that you can provide in this bundle and get at a good price? And that is a win-win for them. You profit, and they get items in the bundle that make their day. So I just wanted to drop this quick video showing you a bundle I've created. If you have any questions, reach out to me. My name is Barbara Drazga. I'm the Bundle Queen. You can go to thebundlequeen.com, find out more about me, and I'll see you on the next video.